I'm going to go ahead and click proceed. What Aaxsys does then is brings in the rent amount. In this case, it's a prorated amount. It brought in the cleaning fee, and we had set this particular unit up with parking charges. These are things that you can set up on the back side of a unit that gets invoiced every month automatically. So in this case, it could be a prorated amount. I'm not sure what the parking charge was, but here's the total here. If there's something that needs to be tweaked, you can go ahead and make the reservation and then tweak it after you've made the reservation. So if you're using Aaxsys to do your invoicing, which I would highly recommend, this has already been chosen here. Create an invoice automatically based on the above charges, and I'm going to go ahead and make the reservation. Okay, so Aaxsys has made the reservation and has issued you a guest number. So from there, you can go one of two places. You can go here for the reservation page, where you would change the dates if you wanted to change the dates, or I can go here for the guest main page. Let me go ahead and click on the reservation page, and this is the information where you have their contact number, the dates. This tells you how many days that they've booked. Any change you make here, you'll need to click on Update Reservation. If you need to do, if you wanted to look at the billing or the invoicing, you're going to click here, which is the main page of the invoicing here, and you're going to click on Edit Invoice Records. This is really another training, but this is where you have your invoice for this reservation. What I need to do now is send this invoice out, so I can click on Show Invoice, and it's ready to send out, and I can send it out from here. Again, there's a little bit more training here that goes with this, but I just wanted to show you kind of how this all looks. So let's go back to the res board now, and I'm going to refresh the screen so you can see that I've made the reservation. All of these colors here can be changed. If you don't like this kind of greenish color, you can change it to whatever color you'd like. Aaxsys is very flexible that way. Now, in order to click into a reservation after you have made it, you're going to click into one of three places. I can either click on the A, which is the arrival date, because I can see it here. I can click on D, the departure date. Now, in this case, I can't see the departure date because I only have my reservation board out for a total of 45 days. I can change that. Or if it's a really long reservation, months and months, you can see this little R here and see how that turns into a little hand. So I can click in here as well. So I can click on the A, this little R, or if you can see the departure date, you can click on the D. So in this case, I'll click on the A, and this now brings up the reservation folio. So here I can make whatever changes I need to make. If I charge the wrong amount, I can change it here and update the reservation, the billing information. I can go here and I can edit invoice records. If you say, "Oh shoot, I didn't really mean to charge the parking," you can click DEL here and actually delete that. So let me go ahead and refresh this now. And again, because we're in the internet, you'll want to refresh that. Okay, so here I am. The guest owes $2,841.67. Now, if you are using credit cards, right here you can go ahead and add the payment to this invoice. So I'm going to click on Add Payment. And if it's a credit card, you can click here. If it's a check or cash or some other form of payment, you would put it here. But it's very easy to do. So if it's a credit card, you're going to click here. You're going to go ahead and put in the amount. You're going to choose the chart of account or the cost code. You'll put in a description. So in this case, it would be rent 217 to 31. The credit card number, if it was in the folio, would fill in here. If not, you can add it here, and then you can go ahead and run it right from Aaxsys, provided you have added the credit card module into Aaxsys. There is no charge to do that. If you're interested in that, we can show you how to do that, or you can run your own aggregator, whoever you use to run your cards. But you do need to have a gateway from Aaxsys to your credit card processor. There is a fee for that. It's not very much. It's not our fee, but it is a fee from our gateway. I believe it's around $25 a month, maybe $30 a month, something to that effect. So that's all there is to making a reservation in Aaxsys. There's a whole lot more information that I can import to you, but I just wanted to show you how to create the reservation and then send the invoice out. If you have any questions, please get back to us. Thank you for watching this video.